Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to check battery health on your HP OmniBook Flip 5 laptop. So the fastest way to do so is to open the Start menu and search for the CMD program. So once you find the command prompt on the list, run it as administrator, then click Yes. Then in the following window, input powercfg spacebar battery report and then press enter. You'll get an address that we're gonna have to copy by selecting it and then right clicking. It's simple, so you don't have to press Ctrl+C, just select it like this and right click it. And then you can either open your web browser or you can open a file explorer. This is not a file explorer. This is like a Copilot. And then open the address field in here and paste this path. Press enter and select the browsing app that you want to use to open this file. Let us use the Microsoft Edge. And we'll get the full battery report for our battery. This is the statistics with basically there we can find a full statistics of our battery consumption, but we don't need most of this information. What we're looking for is the design capacity and the full charge capacity, and also we can check the cycle count in here. So the design capacity is basically the original capacity of your battery claimed by HP, and the full charge capacity is the current capacity of the battery. So as you can see, these numbers are pretty similar. Moreover, I actually think they are the same, but the first number right here is just manually written, so it's the design capacity is not exactly 68,000 68 watts per hour, but it's somewhere around this one. So anyway, the full charge capacity, which is the current capacity of your battery, will go lower over time as your battery gets more and more used, and the lower it gets, the lower your battery health is. And if this number gets significantly lower, at some point you'd be better off just replacing the current battery with a new one. And the cycle count that we see right here is the amount of times the battery was fully discharged on this laptop. And since the cycle count for this battery is 1, I don't actually think that it could make such a difference between design capacity and full charge capacity. So I think that these numbers should be the same, but they are quite different. But it's not the only way that we can check our battery health. The other one is using the HP Support Assistant application that I already have on my PC. So I'm just gonna briefly show you how to get it. All you have to do is open your web browser, open a search engine and search for HP Support Assistant. And once you find the official hp.com website, support.hp.com website with HP Support Assistant as a web page title, you have to open it and then click download HP Support Assistant 9 right here. The installation file will proceed to download on your laptop. You just have to open it, run it, go through the installation process, which is pretty simple. You just have to click next, accept the terms, next, and then until the process is finished, basically. After that, the desktop icon of the HP Support Assistant will appear on your screen, and you can simply open this application and continue as guest. You don't have to sign in to your HP account or anything. And right here, right on the first page, we'll be able to check our battery. So basically just click battery. You will see your battery status. If it says normal, then you're far away from replacing, far away in time from replacing your battery. The state is basically the difference between the full charge capacity and the design capacity. So as you can see, the state is actually 100%. That means that the battery on this laptop is brand new. And here we also can check the temperature of the battery. And besides, we can also run the battery check, which will update the data about our battery. Now, so let's run a quick check. It's gonna take a couple of seconds, unless that this program says something is wrong with the battery right now. But let's wait for a moment. Okay, and so yeah, we just got the very same info that we've seen before. And we can also check advanced information by clicking right here. And here we have basically all the rest of the specifications for our battery. But what we have already found out is that the battery health on this laptop is the battery health is not affected at all. The battery is completely healthy. And so that's it. That's how you check it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel. Leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.